When to give your Windows 11 desktop a beautiful and element vital look. In this video I'll show you how to customize Windows 11 with using a clean, modern and stylish purple design. We will customize the theme, icon, state menu, taskbar, file explorer, setting, notification center and more. Every step is simple, beginner friendly and easy to follow. This is what your Windows 11 will look like by the end of this video. Let's get started and transform your Windows 11 into element and vital setup. Before we start, create a restore point. This lets you safely turn your Windows 11 system into its previous state if anything goes wrong during the customization process. Now secure X theme. Unzip here. Cut it. Open this PC. Paste it inside your C drive. Theme tool. Run as administrator. OK. 2 boxes and install. Already I have installed. Theme file unzip. OK. Open theme file. Windows 11 theme. Copy this file. This PC. C drive. Windows. Resources. Theme. And paste it here. Then continue. Open again this PC, C drive, Secure X theme folder, theme tool, run as administrator, select theme, apply it. OK, theme is applied. Now set wallpaper. Open Windhawk. Install it. Explore. Open again theme folder. Open icon pack folder. Copy this folder. This PC. Paste it inside your C drive. Open it. Copy address bar. Open again Windhawk. Search resources redirect. Install it. Setting, theme path and paste it here. Save setting. Now icon pack is applied. Some folders are not working. Don't worry. Disable folder thumbnail previews. Run. Okay, icon pack is ready. Now install Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Open the theme folder. Open the Windhawk Installer folder. Open the Windows 11 File Explorer Installer script. Select all and copy it. Go to Windhawk. Open the Advanced tab. Paste the script here and click Save Setting. Wow, your File Explorer now has a clean element and modern look. It perfectly matches the Vital theme and gives Windows 11 a fresh new appearance. Now install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Open the Windhawk Installer folder. Then open the Windows 11 Taskbar Installer script. Select all. Copy this script. Go to Windhawk. Open Advanced. Paste the script here and click Save. Wow, your Windows 11 taskbar now look clean, elegant and modern. This style violent design balanced perfectly with the rest of your desktop, giving it a beautiful new look. Now install taskbar height and icon size. Open the folder. Then open the taskbar height and icon size script. Select all. Copy this script. Go to Windhawk. Open Advanced tab. Paste the script here and click Save. Now install Windows 11 Notification Center Installer. Open the folder. Then open the Windows 11 Notification Center Installer script. Select all. Copy this script. Go back to Windhawk. Open Advanced tab. Paste the script here and click Save. This Windows 11 Notification Center now look clean, elegant and modern. The beautiful violent style give your notification and quick setting of fresh new appearance that match the entire customization setup. Now search for Windows 11 Setting Installer. Install Windows 11 Setting Installer. Open the folder. Then open the Windows 11 Setting Installer script. Select all. Copy it script. Go back to Windhawk. Open the Advanced tab. Paste it script here and click Save. The Windows 11 Setting Installer app now look beautiful and elegant. The modern violent design adds a fresh new style and makes the overall Windows experience more polished and unique. Now install Windows 11 Statement Installer. Open the folder. Then open the Windows 11 Statement Installer script. Select all. Copy this script. Go to Windhawk. Open Advanced tab. Paste the script here and click Save. The Windows 11 state menu look beautiful and elegant. The stylish violet design gives the state menu a clean modern appearance and perfectly matches the entire Windows 11 customization setup. Now search Translation Windows. Details. Click Install and install. Advanced. Open the folder. Translation Windows script, open it. Select all and copy. Paste it here script. And save it. Now translation effect is applied. Now open again Windhawk because the custom theme drive storage is not showing properly. Go to Translation Windows, Setting, Windows Theme Custom Rendering and New System Color. After that click Save Setting. Now check RAM uses. Go to Task Manager. Type Windhawk. Check RAM uses. It normal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Windows 11 customization, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing setups. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.